Hello everyone! In this video you're going to learn how to operate the GlowStep Revolution. Now your first step is just remove the pin. Next, lift up on the lever. Now slightly pull out the steps and let go of the lever. When pulling out the steps, watch the lever fall into its first position. Next, extend the steps. You have multiple points of adjustment in that top step. Here's your second position, and your third. You can also adjust the all-terrain landing gear with a simple push button. Now you're done. Now to store the steps, push the steps together, press up on the lever, and roll the steps back into their stored position. For any questions, call us at 800-246-8132.